Hello and welcome. These are some of the things that impacted our funds in May. Rate hike uncertainties in the US, the run-up to the EU referendum in the UK, and several of the funds ahead of their respective indices. There has been a great deal of speculation concerning what this lady, Janet Yellen, will do over the course of the coming months. As US central bank head, Yellen has a lot of influence over both the US and the global economy. Towards the end of the month, she indicated that the Fed would hike policy rates sometime in the coming months. The UK's place in the EU is up for referendum in June, but several experts have already warned Britons not to withdraw from the Union. The Organisation for Economic Cooperation and Development in Europe, the OECD, have warned that economic growth in the UK will fall if they leave the EU. This could have negative consequences on the global economy. After a very good month of April, several of our funds continued to deliver better returns than their respective benchmark indices in May. The equity funds SKAGEN Global, SKAGEN Kontiki and SKAGEN Focus all performed better than their indices. Year-to-date, SKAGEN Focus is ahead of its benchmark, while the other two funds are lagging behind somewhat. Now, let's take a quick look to see which companies have contributed most positively and negatively in the month. The US financial giant American International Group was the best contributor to SKAGEN Global's performance in May. The company rose on signals from the Fed that policy rates would be hiked in near future. In addition, AIG has implemented positive strategic changes that have not yet been fully appreciated by the market. India is now the world's fastest growing economy and is therefore very attractive to foreign investors. SKAGEN Kontiki's position in State Bank of India was a very favourable investment in May. The share price first rose sharply, only to fall back slightly after the bank reported lower than expected earnings. As a sweet conclusion, we can mention the Korean confectionery and snack manufacturer Hai Tai, which has been experiencing great success with its honey butter chips. SKAGEN Focus got the opportunity to take part in the company's IPO and sold out very soon afterwards at an extremely good profit. And those were the highlights from the funds in May. If you'd like to keep updated about events in the funds, you can subscribe to the news service on our website. Thank you for watching.